friend of me is DOOGEE V20, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this smartphone. You need to begin by opening settings and scrolling down right away. Now select biometrics and password, click on Face ID and enter your current login method. When you're ready, read the disclaimer and choose next at the bottom right corner. Then follow all of those instructions and remember to keep your face in frame. Now you can adjust all of those face unlock settings however you wish to, and when you're ready, select Home button. Following that, when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!